Hello, hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting and I'm really excited to start to exercise with you. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert. I'm hoping from today I'm gonna be your personal trainer, your personal instructor to exercise with you at your own place. And I've got 20 years of experience and massive passion to fitness and yoga, and as you can see on my channel, you've got full access to all of different type of exercise and activity. You've got yoga for beginners, you've got yoga which is a little bit more movement, sculpt yoga, more challenging, fat burn yoga, different classes for fitness as well, for upper body, lower body, and your core, and all on different levels. So I'm sure you can find something for yourself, and yeah, have a look and try. So let's do the first session together right now.